Big day today. Holy 6:45, and I just had a drink of water and a bite to eat. Hi folks, I've already started a job this morning that I've been mulching. The landowner was with me, and I didn't want to tell him I'm a big YouTube star with 60 subscribers and get my camera out. And so anyways, this is what I've been up to. I have all these alders, and that's pretty much it. Some grass and alders to mulch. It's a farm, and he had a dozer in here doing the same thing, dealing with what I'm dealing with. Wants to try mulching instead of dozing. Kind of left a lot of little sprigs still sticking up and shed off quite a bit of topsoil I didn't like, and then ended up piling it up in the woods. So we're just trying the mulching thing. He has farm equipment, but he just can't deal with the alders. So I'm going to strap the chest cam on and just run it, show some mulching. Just an update. I have all this area done, and I am going to go along the line. There's a post down there. I'm not too sure how deep I'm to go, but anyways, I got to work all the way down around the corner.
everything that you thought you knew. I do things better, you know I do. The rhythm I have can't escape it. Baby, don't fight it, embrace it. De la cabeza a los pies, el ritmo te mueve otra vez. Suena tambor, así es mejor. Deja esa timidez. Don't fight it, just do it. You like me cause I move it. Everything you want gonna come full swing. I just need you to do one thing. Muévelo. Move it. Muévelo. Just move it. Move it. Muévelo. Move it. I'm how the party starts. It's like a work of art. They call me Morena Victoria. And the feeling de euphoria. Y el ritmo sigue subiendo. Ya tú sabes lo que estoy haciendo. Sigue la fiesta, sigue el tempo. Y yo te doy lo que sigues pidiendo. Don't fight it, just do it. You like me cause I...
Big day today. Holy. 6:45. And I just had a drink of water and a bite to eat. Holy, I'm hungry. And I went to a shellfish festival on the weekend with my wife for a couple hours on Saturday afternoon. And we were there, we had some oysters and a little bit to eat, a few beer. And last night, both of us got sick and like horrific food poisoning sick. And then the couple that we were with, they got sick. And then another lady that we know had been volunteering at the festival, she got sick. Then we were on Facebook, and then all these other people are asking, like, did anybody get sick at the shellfish? And then the health PEI comes out and says to fill out a form if you were sick at the shellfish festival. So anyways, we got food poisoning, my wife and I, at this festival on the weekend, and I felt like shit today, but I still came in, never ate. I've hardly eaten in days. Anyways, just powered through it, got all kinds of mulching done. I just dropped the trailer off, and I'll be back in the morning. I have to grease the machine, and there's a bolt on top of the case drain that is leaking oil. So much pressure in the tank that I gotta take the bolt out and wrap it with that tape, plumber's tape, put it back in, and gas up, keep on going.
Muévelo.